Welcome to San Ramon, California, where today we have a Rubik's Cube competition. We're going to see what's inside. Welcome to Rubik's Cube Speed Competition. It's pretty intense in there.
Go ahead. Billy Yuan, Brayden Lund, Bowen Dang, Cole Hawkins, Harry Wong, Christian Martin, and Christopher A. Antino.
Oh my God!
11.94.
What?
I think it was like 20 bucks, and it's like, it could save you, like, if someone were to take my cubes, it would be like a lot of money if you count in the train.
Wow, a super floppy cube. Who's ever seen something like this before? Would you mind showing my YouTube channel how this thing works?
So basically you can do 180-degree rotations and it'll keep its shape, or you can do 90-degree rotations and it'll start shape shifting.
Can you solve it for us?
Yeah, I'm going to scramble it up better. I start by first of all getting it back into its normal form. After that I solve corners. After I get the corners, I just solve the centers, or center pieces.
Oh wow! Thank you, man.
Sean!
Nice.
I mean, at least I'm not
Are you here for a little bit?
Yeah.
Good, because my son's going to want it.
Okay. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I was gonna try to compete.
Oh, you are good. What is your name?
Tyson now.
Tyson? Your last name?
Now.
Now? Nice to meet you.
Where do you want me to try? So it's white. Or white? What is this like?
It's so small, but it works.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I think I recognize you from Portland. Did you compete in Portland?
Portland.
At a year and a half ago, Nationals.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, I do recognize you from there then. Wow. You do any color on top?
Huh?
It's not always yellow on top, but is it any color at all? Or is it just
No, I'm color neutral.
totally color neutral? Wow. right, thank you.
Yeah, anytime.
That's amazing.
So my name is Richard Applegar, and I've been cubing since 2009. I started off with basic layer by layer, and I was taught by my uncle how to solve the cube using Friedrich method. And from there on, I searched up the web to look for better algorithms. I guess that's what got me to this point, and a lot of practice too. I didn't settle for just the algorithms that are there. I looked for something else, a lot more faster. Maybe there's something better, you know. Just gotta keep on searching to better yourself. And for beginners, I would advise that if you're trying to learn, if you already know how to solve and you're transitioning to a much faster method, it is very important to not get lazy in memorizing algorithms, like all the PLLs, OLLs, because that will really help you out.
Really, all the PLLs are so hard. It's like, I know about 50% of them.
Yeah, well, you just gotta keep on memorizing at least a day if you really want to go all out. In a day, I would try memorizing at least 2 algorithms.
Wow.
And if you keep repeating, you know, it's gonna be muscle memory. It wouldn't be like. Eventually, you're gonna be like, oh, this is easy. And then when you will see the improvement. Like your look ahead is gonna be faster. Recognition will be faster. You know, it's you gotta work on it.
Wow.
Because that keeps me going.
Is there a site for the PLL that you would recommend? Both OLL and PLL, because I use an old one. Mine is like 8 years old.
Yeah.
My sheet of paper.
Nowadays everything is on YouTube, so you will find like one of the most efficient or whatever works for you. You know, you just gotta find that when you turn the cube, you gotta find that comfort zone. So if you're turning, like if the algorithm is short, because some people would concentrate on short algorithms, like, oh, I want less moves and that will make me faster. But sometimes intuitive F2L, intuitive algorithms, it's a lot faster because it's less regrip. You know, like if I were to compare an old algorithm that has, say, 12 moves to a newer algorithm that has 14 moves, but it's a lot more faster, just less regrip.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it depends on how you solve. It has to fit your style. You gotta pick your own style, And because before, everyone started as turning with their whole hand, and then eventually they used the finger tricks. No, for me, I'm an aggressive turner, so my cues are pretty stiff. So all the algorithms I use are pretty standard. If I'm a slow turner, a slow solver, like when I turn slowly, that's where the less algorithms work. And then the finger tricks would work. Like less regrip, because it does save time. Instead of being too fast on your TPS, but you keep on regripping. So it slows you down.
Wow, how interesting, man. Very interesting.
There's a lot of methods actually to, like Ru. Ru is fast too. There's a bunch of cubers that are really fast at Ru, and it just really depends on how you solve it.
Is Ru different than F2L?
It's a whole lot. It has the foundation of F2L, but mostly you move the middle layer. Yeah, I use Friedrich. Yeah.
Friedrich. Wow.
It's funny because I learned it while my uncle was pretty drunk. He didn't want me to, because it's a culture in the Philippines, they usually drink. He didn't want to share his secrets.
Wow.
According to him, it's a secret.
Wow.
Luckily, I have access to internet, so I was able to tell him that ain't a secret, Yeah.
And what part of Philippines, by the way?
I was born and raised in Manila.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Learn back there.
And I went to like a couple of talent shows over there in the Philippines. And from there on, I heard about a Philippine Cubers Association. It's like a mini community that's connected to WCA, and they have local competitions like this, like the San Ramon.
Oh, good.
So they registered me as a member, and from there on, I started competing. In my first competition, I podiumed in Megaminx.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Oh, cool.
yeah, I podiumed in Megaminx. It's a pretty good achievement for a first timer, you know.
Yeah.
I was already averaging sub 15 at the time back in 2000. My first competition was 2010, but I was cubing a year before that.
Oh, okay.
So I learned a lot more in cube meets because out there they're a lot more engaging because they set dates where you meet up at a place and you just cube, talk about stuff.
Yeah.
They teach you new algorithms like the higher ups, not meaning that they've spent years in the group and they're basically like administration, you know.
Yeah.
So they teach us like what they know, we share what we know.
Oh,
So it's a
good.
pretty friendly environment.
Oh, good. Really.
And yeah, it grew through the years. Now we have like a lot of members. Recently, someone broke my national record. His name is Leo Borromeo in the Philippines. He broke the national record for single, which is 5.96 seconds, and the average of 7.51, if I'm not mistaken. But recently, I broke the NR single. His was 5.96, and I got a 5.95.
Single.
Yeah, single.
Wow.
And then last competition at SF, BO, I had a 5.75 seconds, which is the current national record right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, now we're basically splitting the national records. His is the average, mine is the same.
Okay. You're talking about the guy in Philippines, national Philippine record.
And the cool thing about it is that he's only 10 years old.
Oh, nice.
He's a cool kid.
Oh, good. Good. That's good, man. Hey, nice, man. All right. Hey, thanks for sharing. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Oh, you got an 8.5. Oh, 7 flat. I got a good one.
I think you're doing it. I don't want it that way. Yeah, okay, I guess
Oh, I got it.
I saw the OLL. Yeah.
6.9. Go Philippines. Pinoy. Pinoy.
Yeah, you might have outdone my own ridiculousness for my first event. I know you definitely did. Because I had like a counting 9.2. Counting 11.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.